In geography, the one of most important things we have to learn is about continent. What is continent and how many continents are there in the world? What is the difference between them? Which is the world largest and which one is the smallest? And the whole world is divided into seven continents. What are their futures, new features, and everything? We would discuss in detail. Continent. A continent is one of the Earth's seven main divisions of land. The continents are from largest to smallest. Asia is the world's largest continent. It is also having the largest, most populous continent on the world, on the planet. Number two is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. Then North America, those areas which have Canada, USA, and Caribbean countries. South America, those countries which are having Brazil, Argentina, and those near to the Antarctica. Then Antarctica, which is fifth largest continent on the planet. Then Europe, sixth largest continent on the planet, and Australia. So Zealandia is also a microcontinent. Zealandia means those areas which are around the New Zealand. A map of elevation and the ocean depth are bathymetry reveal the microcontinent of Zealandia. Zealandia broke away from the continent of Australia and Antarctica millions of years ago. The light, someone says that this island, Zealandia microcontinent, is under the sea, which broke from the continent of Australia and Antarctica. The light blue clear deposited lower continent shelf of shallow ocean extending to the southeast of Zealandia, largest land masses, the south and north Iceland of New Zealand, and northwest toward the Iceland that makes up New Caledonia. Then geologic played 200 million years ago. Dinosaurs roamed the supercontinental Pangea. At that time, there was not the seven continent which is no present. At that time, there was a supercontinent which was called Pangea, surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, the Oceania, ancestor of the Pacific Ocean, and those Pangea was surrounded by a super ocean which was ancestor of Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is one of the largest ocean in the world. So Asia area is Samaria, China, Eurasia, North America, and South America was adjacent. Then Africa was also adjacent with them. India is here, not in the Asia. So India was near Antarctica 2 million years ago, and when the Earth starting to separate and it goes toward here near the China, Australia, also here Indonesia and Malaysia, and Antarctica near the South America. And Antarctica, the only continent where there is no human habitation, and Australia and Oceania. Australia is the largest landmass of the continent of Australia. South America, I also told you South America near the Antarctica. South America is a continent of extremes. It is home to the world's largest river, the Amazon, the as well as the world driest place, the Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert is the world driest place, and the world hottest place is in California desert. So the countries in South America are Argentina, Falkland Iceland is dispute between Argentina and UK, then Chile, then Uruguay. There is a Uruguay River. Also here's Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America. Amazon rivers flows through it. Colombia, Venezuela. Venezuela has the largest reservoir of gas. Guyana, Suriname. So here it is attached with North America. Ecuador presidential candidate is killed in his election campaign, uh, I think a week ago. So this is the Pacific, South America. One side is Pacific Ocean, and the other side is with the Atlantic Ocean, and above here is Africa with the South America. So here is North America. North America is one of the three continents along with South America and Oceania that make up the New World. The continent were new to the 15th century European explorer but old to the indigenous people living here. North America was explored by the European in 1492 when Columbus explored and discovered the Canada. So USA, United States of America. So this is in North America, United States, Mexico, and then Canada and other Greenland ocean here, Arctic Ocean. The coldest ocean is above in the North America. This side Pacific Ocean, and here the Atlantic Ocean. Here is the New York City, which is to near the Atlantic Ocean, Gulf of Mexico, and also other countries here in the North America. Europe is the western peninsula of the grand supercontinent of Eurasia. Eurasia is divided from Asia by a series of watersheds including the Ural River and Caspian and Black Sea, Ural rivers and mountain. Russia is a Eurasian country. It is in Europe and Russia. And the other countries in Europe are Finland, Norway, Sweden, uh, and Denmark. These countries are called Scandinavian country. Iceland here up here are North America, Arctic Ocean, Northern Sea here, Belarus, Ukraine with the war, Russia and Ukrainian war, Georgia, Moldova, Russia also attacked Georgia, Denmark, Germany, Luxembourg, Belgium, France, and the other countries here are the UK, Ireland, and here front the Atlantic Ocean. I hope you will like it, and in the further video we will discuss the Asian continent, which is the main and world largest continent. We will discuss in detail, and the more as we start other videos, we will discuss the population, geography, earth's oceans in detail. Like, share, and subscribe the channel.